Okay, so we literally just pulled up on this house that we seen on the street. We're gonna try to see if we can find some type of information on the address, because this could be a potential deal. So let's check it out. And I don't have on my boots or anything like that. We got on our good shoes, so I'm not gonna just do all this type of climbing through here. So we're gonna try to locate and see the best way we can. Okay, so just by the looks of it, obviously you see that it's neglected. That is perfect, because obviously the owner isn't coming here doing any type of maintenance or upkeep on this house. So these are the type of houses that you want to look for. And when you do see the junk everywhere, the mattresses, all of that, of course be careful, but also try to get that address, because like I said, this could literally be a deal and you don't know it. We don't know until we actually get this address and find out more information. I do see it has like the warning, like the posted signs on the side. So maybe this is something that the city owns. But we're gonna do some due diligence. We're gonna find out. All right, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go back to the house. We're gonna actually try to skip trace the owner and see if we can make a deal happen. Okay, so we're back at the house now. We identified the cross street, so I'm just gonna hop on Zillow real quick. I'm gonna see if I can find the house, and if so, then we're gonna look up the owner, all that good stuff. Okay, so 7th and Hightower. So we're gonna click on the street view right here. So all right, so it was on 7th. We were on 7th. Where are we at? I'm all over the place. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so what is this? This is 7th right here. Okay, so all right, so here's the house right here. So we're trying to find this address. So let's go down this street. Okay, boom. So actually, so this is the house right here. So it was so overgrown. I thought this was the front of the house, but at least I thought I didn't know what it was, honestly. But this seems like the back of a house and a little driveway leading up. So typically the address of a property typically is, you know, the at the front of the house. But let's see. So let's go down and see what this front street is called. So we got Hightower, which is, I guess, like the side of the house. So this is Northwest Drive. So we're gonna look at Northwest Drive. Okay, here we go. Okay, so Northwest Drive, we're looking at the front of the house here. What does this say? I guess right here off to the right it says 1096 Northwest Drive. So what we're gonna do, okay, we're gonna look that up. 96 Northwest Drive. Okay, that's not popping up. That's not popping up. So let's go back. Okay, so we go back. So let's type in 1095. All right, so let's try 1095. Boom, 5. Okay. Okay, cool. So it looks like 1095. That's what we're looking for. That's gonna be it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna skip trace it. Of course, you know, we're gonna do that off scene. You know, you gotta hit me up directly if you want the sauce for the skip tracing, which is very simple, by the way. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna call them up on live and see if they pick up the phone. So if you're ever on Zillow and you want to look and find the property owner, you see price history here. You scroll all the way to the bottom of it, and you're going to see county website. So ultimately, to find someone, it's all public record. So I'm going to check the public records to see who actually owns this house. What it is. Okay, Northwest Drive. Okay, cool. So we ended up finding, so this is a LLC that owns it. Okay, so we got the LLC here. So now I'm gonna skip trace them. We found them, and we're gonna see if we can get in contact with this person and get another deal. Okay, so right now I'm going on the skip trace software to see if we can find this actual owner. It's a LLC, so I kind of have to do some digging around, but ultimately we're gonna see who owns the LLC, and then we're gonna skip trace that individual person and find their phone number and give them a call. Okay, so check this out. I just found the person that owns this LLC, that owns this house. So we're gonna call them real quick. Let's see if we can make something happen.
A call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 7024.
Okay, went to voicemail. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep following up with them and shoot them a text, you know, all that good stuff. They're just gonna be on a follow-up system. Just because people don't pick up the phone doesn't mean it's not a lead. So what you want to do is actually, you know, continue to follow up with people that you can't get in contact with. So I'm in the middle of texting them, so let them know, hey, it's Darryl. I wanted to know if you're interested in selling your property on Northwest Drive. And I'll let them know we can hop on a call as well to discuss their plans. So that's sent off. So at this point, we're just waiting and looking for more. We actually did find another one while we were doing a video. So I'm gonna do the same process. So I'm gonna keep dropping content, keep showing you the stuff that we closed, showing you the stuff that we're trying to close, and I'm gonna see y'all soon.